Less text on a slide can actually share more information about a certain topic. I want to explain a few things about that in this lesson. Hello everyone, I'm really excited to open up the real beef of this course with this nice lesson. Let's hit it off. In this first big section, I want to teach you the best possible presentation practices and additional knowledge I have gathered during my work about design, about graphics, about aesthetics, and some overall design concepts. All this information will serve us as some guidelines during the entire course. So stay tuned and listen carefully. I want to dedicate this first lesson completely to ensure and explain you why we are designing this presentation in such a style and format. Where did this come from? How is this approach properly and professional and better than possible some other ones? Well, as you see, I'm calling this lesson Less is More. And you may probably already suspect what this is all about. Yes, you are correct. This is about making less text, more graphics, to use as little text as possible in your presentation. You can be certain that this is not only my opinion, but a global trend we should count in when we are approaching any design work at all. So I have made here a few example slides to show you the very basics of this whole course in a nutshell. So you've probably already seen countless presentations like that. One topic and information just taken from Wikipedia, from websites, directly copied into their presentations. Sometimes the text is even not formatted and the hyperlinks are still there. This is completely a no-go. This is an impossible approach which you need to drop off completely. No matter what business types you are in, if you are a student, if you are a business professional, if you are a teacher, even if all your colleagues do presentations like that, you can't do that. And maybe this is even better because after this course you will have no competition, you will design great presentations which will be easy to follow and informative. The second biggest, absolutely biggest mistakes I hate on presentations are images that are not cropped. Right now we have wonderful resources with free stuff to enter into your presentation, nice icons, and people are still taking images from Google and just pasting them into a presentation, and sometimes they even cover up some text. If you witness such a presentation, you can be certain this is a not professional approach. Just watch the difference. This is some text about information. You can take the same text, pick out the most important words, and just present it in a completely different manner. Make a big nice icon, tell what the slide is about, and you can just as good say that information may contain some answers, it can definitely contain data, it should carry a message, and it might also contain some knowledge. So as you see, the same slide can look completely different with less text.